He fucked him up, didn't he? He still got that sideways, still going. Goddamn white folk finna have the police down here on their ass.
Get him sideways there. He whipped that thing right back right then.